Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to import multiple video at once inside of CapCut. So if you've got a lot of clips and you wanna bring them into your timeline, then this video is for you. First, you go to Import section and you wouldn't see the Import button if you're in another part of your CapCut, so make sure you are on your left side panel. Now click on Import button. But if you don't have any clip yet, then the button might look big, and if you do, it will be a small one, but it's still there. All you have to do is click it. Then that will open your file explorer. Now find your video files. For me, I'm going to import these 3 clips and click open. Once they are selected, CapCut will start uploading them. And now by default, this video will already be highlighted for you. But if you accidentally click off, no worry. All you have to do is highlight them again. And now just drag those clips right onto your timeline, and they will show up in the same order as your media bin. And that's it. That's how you import multiple video at once in CapCut. It was quick and easy. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in my next video.